Send my friends to school. So climate change has made the planet have like a big wall, so when more smoke goes into the air, it'll just bounce back down to us.
Because of climate change, they're finding it really hard to go to schools.
Too much sun could burn down your house and there could be a flood.
Sometimes they have to cross a river to get to school, and they have to drink dirty mud water.
There could be a flood in front of your street and you can drown on the way to school.
It could be flooding the classrooms.
And if you don't eat much, you can't concentrate because of the sun. The farmers can't grow a lot of food.
So they didn't have enough food to sell and to have, so they're not making enough money. So the money goes towards some like school fees.
And extreme heat can also cause sickness to spread, and sickness means that the children can't go to school. And it's also really hard for those children, like girls or people with disabilities, because they're already finding it really hard to be able to go to school, and with coronavirus and climate change making it even harder, a lot of them will just give up that chance, and so we can't let that happen.
Send my friend to school is really important because I feel everyone has the right to go to school and have education.
So Send My Friend to School is really helping those children who, because of climate change, they're finding it really hard to go to schools.
Send a friend to school is very important because some people around the world can't go to school, and this year's theme is climate change. And this is very important because the world is dying very quickly and we need to stop it.
Stop cutting down trees, they give us oxygen.
And use electric cars.
Plant more trees.